Hello dear students, good morning. I'm going to start with the lesson today and the name of the lesson is The House with the Golden Windows. The House with the Golden Windows. Chapter 1 The House with the Golden Windows. All of you open page number 1, chapter 1 The House with the Golden Windows. Okay, see here we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pictures we can see. Here all pictures representing windows. Okay, we can see different types of windows in these 6 pictures. Here big windows, small windows, different types of windows. See here glasses also different types we can see. Here large windows with large big size glasses. Okay, see here design of this window is different. This window design is different. This one is different. This one is different and these are different. And size of this window is different from this. This is different from this one and this is different from this one and this is different from this one. So each window has a special thing on it. So work in pairs. Look at these pictures. They show different kinds of windows. Which one do you like best? Tell your partner why. In the 6 windows, which one do you like best? Why? What's the special in that? Tell with your partner. Okay? See. Read the story about a boy who set off to look for golden windows. A boy set off to look for golden windows. The story is all about this. Okay. Let's begin with the story. Long ago in a village in Scotland. In Scotland, there is a village long ago. A little boy named Steve lived on a farm. A little boy name is Steve. He lives on a farm. Here farm means an area of land and its buildings used for growing crops and rearing animals. Okay. Children, please remember to underline the new words or the different words and please note down the meaning for some typical words. Okay, while I'm saying, please note down the meaning. Farm means an area of land and its buildings used for growing crops and rearing animals. Every day after school and during the weekends. Every day after school means evening and during the weekends means Saturday and Sunday. Steve used to help his father in the field. Field means an area of open land. An area of open land. And took care of the farm animals. He used to take care of the farm animals. But at the end of each day, when the work was done, so by end of the day, by evening, when the work was completed and the sun began to go down and when the sun sets, there came an hour which was all his own. He will spend an hour by his own. He means here Steve. Okay. When this time came, Steve would often stroll on the top of a hill. Stroll. Here stroll means walk in a slow, relaxed manner, especially for pleasure. Okay. When this time came, Steve used to often walk for pleasure to the top of a hill near his house. Okay, he used to walk to the top of a hill which is near to his house and look across at another hill a long way away. And he used to look across. Here across means from one side to the other side. He used to look one side to the other side at another hill a long way away, which is far away. Okay. There on this far off hill stood all of you turn your pages. Stood a house with windows shining like gold. That far from that hill, he used to see one house with windows shining like gold. As the sun went down, he would sit on the hill watching this house. In this picture, we can clearly see from here he is watching this house. Okay. As the sun went down, he would sit on the hill watching this house. The windows shone so brightly that they made Steve blink. The windows shone so brightly that they made Steve blink. Here, blink means close and open the eyes quickly. Blink when he looked at them. When he looked at the windows, so the windows shone so brightly that they made Steve blink. That makes Steve to blink when he looked at the windows. After a while, someone would close the shutters, and he knew it was time to go home for supper. After some time, he will find someone close the shutters, and here shutters means wooden covers on the outside of a window. Wooden covers on the outside of a window. He used to see someone would close the shutters, and he knew it was time to go home for supper. Here, supper means a main meal eaten in the evening. He used to go to eat something. He used to go to have something at the evening time. One Saturday, Steve's father told him, "You have earned a holiday." One Saturday, Steve's father told that Steve have earned a holiday. He has a holiday on that day. Take a day off today and try to learn something good. Steve's father asked him to take week off for that day, and he asked him to learn something good. Steve was delighted. He thanked his father and then started off for the house with the golden windows. Steve was delighted. Here, delighted means very pleased. Steve was pleased. He thanked his father and then started off for the house with the golden windows. He started to find his golden windows. Okay. After trudging for a long time, here trudging means walking slowly with a lot of effort. Walking slowly with a lot of effort. Okay. After trudging for a long time, Steve came to a big hill. After walking slowly for a long time, Steve came to a big hill. At the top was the house. On that hill, there was a house he had been searching for. He find the house which has golden windows. Steve hurried to it. Steve hurriedly went to that house. But to his disappointment, it did not have golden windows. Steve got disappointed because that house did not have golden windows. They were made of clear glasses. The windows were made of clear glasses, like any normal ones, Okay? Steve got disappointed. Okay, children, do you all okay with the lesson? We do continuation part next time. Okay? Thank you.